A friend of mine ignored an $8 warning sign in his Coyote engine for 6 months.
"It's just a noise," he said. "It's not serious." And 6 months later, he was calling me from a tow truck. Engine completely destroyed. $4,200 repair. And the worst part, it was completely preventable. Let me tell you exactly what happened. My name is James.
And the friend?
Let's call him Mike. Great guy. Owner of a 2016 F-150 with a Coyote 5.0. Mike isn't negligent. He changes oil regularly, keeps the truck clean, does basic maintenance.
But about a year ago, he started hearing a noise, a metallic rattle on cold starts. Lasted about 3 to 5 seconds after the engine fired up, then went away. I heard it. I told him, "Mike, that's phaser rattle. You need to address this." He asked, "Is it serious?" I said, "It will be if you ignore it." Mike did what most people do. He ignored it. He went online, found forums saying it's normal on Coyotes. Only happens when cold. Don't worry about it. And the noise? It wasn't getting worse quickly, so he decided to wait. Here's what he didn't understand. Phaser rattle is an early warning sign that the VCT gears are wearing. The variable cam timing gears control when the valves open and close. When they wear, they rattle, but they still work for now. The problem? That wear continues. The gears get looser. The timing chain gets sloppier, and eventually, snap. 6 months after that conversation, Mike was driving to work. Highway, 70 miles per hour. The engine made a loud noise. Metallic bang, and then nothing. No power. Dead engine. He managed to pull over. Tried to restart. Engine cranked, but wouldn't fire. Called a tow truck. At the shop, the diagnosis was brutal. The timing chain had jumped. When the chain jumps, valves and pistons collide. Bent valves, damaged pistons. Cylinder head needed machine work. The quote, for $1,200. And 2 weeks without his truck. Mike called me. Defeated voice. "You were right. I should have listened." And then he asked the question I knew was coming. "How much would it have cost to fix when you warned me?" Here's what Mike could have done 6 months earlier. When the phaser starts rattling, you have a window. The problem is still small. The fix? 2 options. Option 1, more frequent oil changes with high-quality oil. Full synthetic, correct weight, every 3,000 to 4,000 miles instead of 5,000 to 7,000. Cost per change, $60 to $80. Over 6 months, about $160. Often, that's enough. Fresh oil cleans the VCT solenoids, improves hydraulic pressure, and the rattle diminishes or stops. Option 2, replace the phasers preventively. Parts plus labor. Cost, $800 to $1,200. Sound expensive? Compare it to $4,200. And here's the kicker. If Mike had just tried more frequent oil changes first, that would have cost him an extra $8 per week. That's literally what he was spending on coffee. So here's the lesson from Mike's story. If your Coyote makes a metallic rattle on cold starts, don't ignore it. Don't go online looking for people to tell you it's fine. Don't wait for it to get worse. Fix it now while it's cheap. Because if you wait, it won't be an $8 per week problem. It'll be a $4,200 all-at-once problem. Mike learned the expensive way. You don't have to. Drop a comment. Does your Coyote make this noise? How long have you been ignoring it? I want to know who's going to take action after hearing Mike's story. And Mike, if you're watching, dude, I warned you. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next video.